here doing a simulated repair at 340 Mount Vernon. Here doing an overview of the area and the shingle that we're going to be replacing, along with the numbered shingles of the ones that could possibly see the most damage, one being because this is already blown loose, as well as two. 3 is down but close to the area. 4 and 5 both also down at the top. To show the whole area again prior to repair. So I will get started. And please excuse me, I have to do this one-handed because I have to video as well. So So we have all of these loose now. Start taking out the nails. Can I? A second. Let's see if I can get a better angle from my phone. Let's repair this. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but these nails are tearing on the way out of the shingle. Put these nails to the side. But yeah, so grab the phone to show this. How these are nailed into the shingle. They are literally blasted through, so when you take them out, it's tearing the entire area around them.